Cheats. I think I do. I think the UPS man just delivered some cheats. Oh, say, is this a recording on YouTube where she's saying cheats and she doesn't really mean it? But let's go see if we got cheats. Yeah? You ready? Let's go. Let's go see. Come on. You're coming? Let's go. Are you going to stretch more? Usually you stretch a little bit more. Hey, this way. Say, I got to stretch and claw. Hey, I thought I told you that there are cheats up there and you want to sit there and claw all day? Hey, yo, how's that bag of onions treating you? Charlie Mansers. Bub, let's go get your cheats. Ready? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Ready? Let's go. Bub, I know, you're like, usually you're not so slow. What's up with that? Bub, come on. Let's go get your cheats. You ready? Bub, this isn't happening fast enough. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the video camera and we'll go get her. Okay, we're at the front door. We're about to go get the cheats. I think they're right there. And so they are. Whoa! Bub, are you gonna smell the box? Are you like normal today? Bub, what's in there? Oh, now somebody caught a whiff. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so this is our whole life treats. And we get, I order these, I pay for these, so this isn't a product review per se, but what is it, Bubby? Whoa. Chiggy. Oh, there's goodness in there. We were completely out yesterday, and I checked the tracking and it was supposed to arrive on Monday, and today is Friday, and it said that it was arriving on Friday early. So thank you, UPS, for getting this to us even faster. Okay, so we've just come in from outside and now we can finally get into the cheats that came today. Bub, we're gonna start with chicken. What do you think? Wanna do chicken? So this is Whole Life's big 21-ounce bag, and gotta get it open. It's a lady. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. All right, I'm gonna open it and then I'll show you. And here's the bag open, and we'll let the kitty smell it. What do you think? Is that something up your alley? Oh! Say yes. Please put them over there in my dish. Please put them over there in the dish. Okay, Bub, let's do it. What if I just like leave it and see what happens? Chiggy, what's going on? How come he got one? Whoa, madness. Chiggy, what happens with this? What if you just have access, Chiggy? I've never let them do this. Chiggy took his down the stairs a little bit. I'll make it a more centralized location and see what happens. Uh-oh. Got hissing going on. Alright, I might divvy him out now. I don't want any unnecessary fighting. Okay. So I usually give them 3 to 4 treats each, and then just put them in a bowl like that. And usually at the same time, so Chiggy's not left to fend for himself. And they always take them out of the bowl if they're big enough, and these are pretty big. They take them out of the bowl and eat them separately. Chiggy really likes chicken. I didn't realize that. We usually have beef, and Camus and Murphy really like chicken too, but Charlie really likes beef, and Chiggy eats it fine, but I haven't seen him be this aggressive with beef, so he must like the chicken better. I'll include a link in the description below where you can buy Whole Life treats online. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Look at the powder on Charlie's ear from going into the bag.